All right, so I get a text from one of my tenants saying that my sink is leaking. Typically, what I'll do is I'll have my tenants give me a video of what the actual problem is. Here, I didn't get a video, so I wasn't 100% sure what was going on, but I had a general idea. So as I came over, as any landlord, you actually verify that it's actually a problem, right? So I did just notice that there was a leak behind the sink. Now, it could have been a couple different things. It could have been a water line. It could have been, plumbing. It could have been a lot, but it was actually leaking at the faucet area. So I did unloosen this faucet a little bit more than it actually is. It wasn't that loose, but that's typically going to be a problem, especially where specifically it was leaking at. So here, a pretty easy fix for this is to, obviously tighten that. And make sure that the leak's not there. But what I'm showing you here is you see how there's a hole there. So if it's not lined up, perfectly, that's what's going to cause some of the leaks. As you can see kind of the rings there where it used to be. It might not have been just as tight. When I tried to loosen it, it was pretty easy to loosen. So I had to make sure that I wanted to loosen it up. But yeah, when you go to fix this, all you have to do is just hand tighten it. And when you hand tighten it, just make sure, obviously, it covers, those holes again, so you don't continue to get, those leaks. Because what happens is when people are washing dishes, washing hands, or anything like that, water gets behind that, and that's what causes that leak. So as you see here, that's the plastic nut that you're going to just want to hand tighten. It's actually on both sides there. So there's one there, and actually one all the way to the right-hand side as well, too. That's for your, your spray line. So just you want to make sure that those are all pretty tight and pretty snug. So here I'm kind of showing you where that old line used to be. So I pushed it back a little bit and I tightened it up. So I'm going to tighten it up a little bit. I didn't tighten it completely here, so I'm putting some water back there to kind of, demonstrate. Although it was, a little snug, it wasn't as snug as I was, comfortable with, but I'm going to go underneath and show you that why it's important to make sure it's snug, right? So this side was, for the most part, it was fairly tight. But this side I didn't really tighten that much. You can see how much I'm getting a leak still, right? So I didn't really put that much water behind there, but that's how much, water can leak, that quickly. So you definitely want to make sure that you are, hand tightening those as much as you can. In this next part, I'm going to show you. So, again, that's, water filling up in the sink, and I hand tightened as much as I could. And as you notice now on the left-hand side, I'm not getting, any leaks. I cleaned up the water, obviously, behind as well, too. So I definitely would recommend putting some silicone, as well around it, to kind of help prevent future leaks. But that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe for more videos.